Hey guys, welcome back to groovyPost, and today I'm going to show you the power of using image tools in Google Chrome. So for me personally, when I'm using Google to search up an image, I like to use certain words in the search bar to refine the image I'm looking for. There is a better way to do that. So go ahead and have your Google Chrome open as I have here, and then type in the image that you want. So for me, I want an image of mountains. So now that I have that, I'm going to click on the Images tab. I can hit this Tools button, which I will right now. I get these 5 filter options to help me refine my search. So for the size, I can choose a medium-sized image. Now I only have medium-sized images. I then can choose the color. I'm going to do green, because that's the color I think of when I think of a mountain. Here we go. Bunch of green mountains. I can also choose the type of image I want. So I can do GIF. Now they're all GIFs, and you'll see that at the bottom left of each image. The time they were posted, I can do past 24 hours. And isn't that funny? I get a bunch of forecast. That's weird. And then right here, I can do usage rights, which is really important if I want to use this image in a business or something for my personal use. And that's basically it, guys. This is how you can refine your search to find the images you want in Google Chrome. If you guys have any questions, suggestions, or points you'd like to bring out, please leave them in the comment section. Like and subscribe as always. I'll see you guys in the next one.